Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So in today's video, we're gonna make Negronis. I'm surprised I haven't done this yet because this is one of the most popular drinks and one of the most searched drinks on the planet, right? It is a gin-based drink that dates back 100+ years, right? So this isn't a new drink by any means. So first things first, it's an equal part drink also. It's gin-based. We're gonna go with some Aviation, American batch gin, and it's all equal parts. 1 ounce of gin. Next, we're gonna go 1 ounce of Campari. And last, we're gonna go 1 ounce of a sweet vermouth. All right, get yourself together. Here we go. Give it a little quick little stir before we add a little ice. Stir in the chill. Next, we're going to strain it in a rocks glass. Now we're going to add a little orange peel. Well, not really a peel. We're going to add a little sliced orange to it. There you have it, a Negroni. Simple, elegant, and very tasty. That's good. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.